Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at Only Faucet, one of the faster, easiest, and highest paying faucets online. Get started by signing in with your Faucet Pay email. Once you're logged in, your dashboard is on the left. You can choose to do Shortlinks or claim from the faucets. Let's claim some Pepe. Start by scrolling down on the home page and selecting the Pepe tab. Now solve the easy CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. That's it, you're done. Great. You can claim up to 60 times before you have to do a short link. The coins should go instantly to your Faucet Pay wallet. When you're done claiming, go back to your Faucet Pay account to make sure you received your coins. As you can see, all your coins have been deposited in your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.